So we moved from our location we were growing lilies and our field crops, and we moved to one of our greenhouses where we grow gerbers. And these are grown inside a greenhouse. Once again, you have your shade curtain above and windows that open and close, etc., to maintain a certain environment in here. But at the same time, for sustainable practices, we use a product that we now import from Sri Lanka, which is a waste product in Sri Lanka, and that is coconut husks. So they grow a lot of coconuts over there for the coconut oil, and the husk from the outside was a waste product until somebody decided and designed the soil now, and they grind it up, and we use it as a growing medium for our gerber plants. So basically, it really holds the moisture very well, and so that's why it's a very good growing medium. It does not give any nutrients to the plants, but that's okay. We just wanted to be able to, the plants to be able to secure themselves in the pot. All the nutrients are given through this little black tube here, and that is, of course, a very good way of minimizing water use. It's getting exactly what it needs when it needs, and we're not wasting water by using overhead irrigation, etc., and getting a lot of runoff. Actually, what happens is the plant is watered, and the water runs through the pot, and of course the plant uses what it needs, but then the excess water runs into this trough here, and this trough then catches the water in a tank that we have at this facility. That water still contains fertilizer, so what we do is we take that water and we move it to different locations, the field being one example, where we actually then use it on our lily crops and gain the fertilizer that's in that water there. So maintaining a good sustainable practice and not wasting any water. Another practice, of course, is these plants have to be cleaned on a regular basis to keep them generating new flowers. And so we collect a lot of the lower leaves. We pull those off, and we collect them and use them for compost. So this, once again, all this product is collected. It is shipped to a compost facility we have on our farm and made into compost and returned back onto the fields for use. This helps to break up the core structure of the soil, lets water in, lets air in, and so it maintains a much better environment for the crops to grow in. We also release beneficial insects in our greenhouse here, and what they're doing is they're flying in this crop here, or crawling, depending what type of insect, crawling throughout the plants, looking for invasive pests, bad pests. And when they find them, a lot of times they'll attack them, either eat them or lay their eggs in them, and so that the next generation will be able to survive and grow up. And on these gerbers right here, you can see the diglyphus. Of course, you won't be able to see them on the camera because they're so small, but they're little tiny wasps. They're actually on top of this plant that are flying around looking for insects to lay their eggs on. So another way, this is what we do, and what this helps to do is to reduce chemical applications by spraying, so we're able to maintain a good environment and a healthier crop.